COVID-19, caused by novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, has become a major global crisis. While the disease is primarily characterized by typical flu-like symptoms, sometimes other symptoms are seen. One atypical symptom is thrombosis, or blood clots inside blood vessels. In both living and deceased COVID-19 patients, blood clots have been reported in several tissues and organs, their formation mysterious. What could have caused them? Researchers from Shoolini University, India, delve deeper into the specific biology of COVID-19 infections to find out. The angiotensin converting enzyme 2, ACE2 receptor, is present on the vascular endothelial cells, or blood vessel lining cells, of the lungs, heart and liver. It is also present in the nasal mucosa and oral cavity. The spike protein on the SARS-CoV-2 shell binds to this ACE2 receptor to enter the host cell and cause infection. The researchers hypothesized that when the virus bound to ACE2 on vascular endothelial cells and caused infection, they injured the blood vessel lining. The infection triggered immune-mediated cytokine responses and therefore inflammation, and the injury activated clotting and coagulation pathways. In the presence of inflammation, the clotting mechanisms could malfunction to produce aberrant clots that block the blood vessels at the site of action or travel down the blood vessels to other locations, such as the heart. Further, when the virus binds to ACE2, it makes the receptor unavailable. Since ACE2 normally protects endothelial cell function, its unavailability could result in endothelial cell injury and the subsequent imbalanced recruitment of blood clotting factors and platelets, which elevates coagulation, ultimately leading to strokes or heart attacks. Understanding of the mechanisms underlying the pathogenesis of COVID-19 can aid in the development of novel targeted therapies. This study takes one important step towards achieving this understanding.